Hi, it's David Phelps from Freedom Founders. I've got a little bit of a rant today, and it's about this. There are a lot of people in the world today in the markets, and I mean all markets, markets for investment, such as the stock market, Bitcoin, alternatives, real estate, which is what I love. There's people in all kinds of markets today that I believe don't have any business being there, raising capital from investors who are looking for yield, looking for return, trying to figure out where should I go to put my money. It's a very dangerous place to be right now. And I say that with full respect for who you are and what you're doing and you're investing right now. And if you know what you're doing and you've got good help, then good for you. But how do you know? How do you really know? In our group, in Freedom Founders, I'm finding more and more people who are calling us, raising their hand, saying, hey, I want to learn about Freedom Founders. And what we learn about their story is they've tried some other things on their own through people. They've tried different kinds of private equity investments. They've tried different kinds of real estate syndications and funds, not having a clue as to what's good or what's not. And here's the scary part. We have not even hit a correction yet. We have not seen a downturn yet. It's coming. Trust me, it's coming. We haven't hit there yet. And there are deals, syndications, funds, people out there that have been raising capital for different kinds of platforms, and they're going down the tubes. How would that be happening now when there's not even a downturn? It's because they don't know the difference between how to manage and vet, do the due diligence on actually appropriate cash flowing projects. They get in over their head. They don't know how to find deals. They don't have a good network, but the capital keeps coming. It keeps coming because people will throw their money at anything today, just trying to get that yield. But if you don't have a sound manager, a person with whom you can invest with or through, you haven't done that, haven't had that experience, this is the most dangerous time in the market cycle for you to be trying it on your own. I've seen people that have gone out in the marketplace and taken a weekend course on how to become a real estate syndicator. And now they have the pile of documents, and all you have to do is go out and file this with an SEC attorney, and now you have your own fund and you can raise capital to go after XYZ, anything you want to. Very dangerous situation. Again, how would you know? What vetting do you do? Do you know how to do the vetting? Have you done the due diligence? Have you been there before? Can you read those documents? Of course not. That's not your world. It's what we do in Freedom Founders. And we curate the best of the best. Nothing's fail-safe, but we do a job that most people won't do, can't do for themselves, that would keep them safe. I just implore you, if you don't know what you're doing, keep your money on the sidelines or put it somewhere that's very, very safe. That's not going to last you very long because of the inflationary cycle. You've got to get your money working. But until you're ready, until you know what you're doing, until you're really ready to invest appropriately, just be very, very careful. It's a dangerous world out there. That's my rant for today. Remember, stay focused on your freedom.